and I have considered myself a coffee connoisseur since I was 19 years old, which is just about 20 years now. And I got to the point where I was drinking at least a pot of coffee a day. Sometimes more than that, sometimes less, but it usually averaged just about a pot of coffee a day. And I knew that was just not a healthy way to live. But my identity was somewhat wrapped up in coffee. Over the past few months, I've decided to take a step back from that and find a healthier way and remove caffeine from my life as it is now. Well, I was introduced to Chocolate Bliss and absolutely loved it, and Melissa recommended that I add guarana and yerba mate to transition off of caffeine. So it's not day 9, and I feel very good right now. I started with just 8 ounces of the Chocolate Bliss with the added guarana and yerba mate in the morning on day 1. And then throughout the day, I kind of sipped on another 8 to 10 ounces throughout the day. And I had great energy. I expected to be tired and annoyed and crabby and headachy, but I really didn't feel any of those things, even on the first day. Toward the afternoon, that's when I started to feel kind of a little bit of a nagging headache. Not too bad. Not what I've experienced in the past when I've tried to just go 0 cold turkey. So I've had so much energy over the past 9 days completely, and it feels really good. Very, very good, and no caffeine and no desire really to go pick any up. So it's been a very positive experience, and I'm just so glad to have that out of my life.
Awesome. Do you miss the taste of coffee?
Not really. It really was, I like the taste of coffee, but it was more about just getting the jazz, and really the Chocolate Bliss is so excellent anyway. You really don't miss the coffee at all. At least I didn't. And for me, this was one of the hardest things to do, considering it's been so long, and I really kind of had some nervousness behind getting off of it. I didn't know how my body would react, so it was much easier than I expected.
Awesome. Thanks, Ann.
Thank you.